Welcome back to the channel. If you love discovering powerful, clever, and insanely useful tools that can make your daily projects easier, faster, and more exciting, then you are in for a treat. Today, I'm going to show you 6 amazing products that are designed to save you time, effort, and energy while giving you professional-level results. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, right-angle drill. This 105-degree right-angle drill attachment and flexible angle extension bit kit is a lifesaver for anyone who works in tight spaces. Built with tough alloy steel, it's available in sleek black or silver and comes in both short and long styles. The real magic, it fits any standard 1/4-inch hex drill bit or screwdriver. That means whether you're using an electric drill, rechargeable drill, or even a manual wrench, you can easily reach those impossible corners and tighten screws without breaking a sweat. Lightweight, durable, and designed with a magnetic head, this tool ensures your bits stay secure and your job gets done with precision. Number 5. Edge Trimming Knife. Woodworking just became more precise with the AHO CHE Woodworking Edge Trimming Knife. Made with solid metal and designed for deburring, chamfering, and creating flawless wood finishes, this manual planer blade is the go-to tool for professional woodworkers and DIY hobbyists alike. It comes neatly packaged in a case, making it easy to store and carry around. Whether you're smoothing edges, scraping, or trimming delicate corners, this knife makes your woodwork projects clean and professional every single time. Number 4. Digital Roller Measure. If accuracy is what you demand, then the Shahe high-precision digital display roller distance measurement tool is your new best friend. With an incredible resolution of 0.05 millimeters and accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 millimeters, this tool ensures flawless measurement every time. Its adjustable clamping mechanism allows it to easily measure aluminum profiles, making it perfect for woodworking and construction projects. With an impressive range of up to 30 meters, this lightweight and portable gadget displays results on a clear LCD screen so you can read measurements instantly without confusion. Precise, portable, and professional. Everything you need in a measuring tool. Number 3. Multitool Wrench Knife. Meet the next tool, Multitool, an outdoor survival gadget that packs 6 essential tools into one pocket-sized powerhouse. You get a wrench, folding knife, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, metal file, and even a bottle opener. With a 24mm large opening spanner and extendable design, this multi-tool is built to handle tough jobs. At just 114mm in size, yet strong enough to handle 50 kilograms of force. It's ideal for camping, hiking, or even quick fixes at home. Durable stainless steel construction ensures it lasts, while its lightweight design makes it the perfect everyday carry gadget. Number 2. Rugged Tablet Titan. For those who need raw power and extreme durability, the Alcatel RT7 Titan 5G rugged tablet is unbeatable. It comes with a massive 32,000 mAh battery, meaning days of uninterrupted use. Powered by a Dimensity 720 processor, paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, this tablet is a beast. It's loaded with Android 13, a sharp 10.1-inch FHD Plus display, and an incredible camera setup featuring a 48-megapixel Sony rear camera, 20-megapixel night vision, and a 32-megapixel front camera. Perfect for fieldwork, construction, or outdoor adventures, it even supports dual SIM, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo navigation systems. This is not just a tablet, it's a powerhouse built for survival. Number 1. Battery Kill Switch. Safety and control meet innovation with the 12 to 48 volt top post battery kill switch. Designed for cars, RVs, boats, and campers, this switch allows you to instantly disconnect your vehicle's battery, preventing unnecessary power drain and ensuring maximum safety. With a rated current of 275 amps and built using high-quality copper and plastic, this waterproof switch is made for durability and reliability. The integrated connection posts make installation simple, without the need for extra cables. Whether you're storing your vehicle for a season or simply want to add an extra layer of protection, this tool is an absolute must-have. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.